Today we're going to be looking at the contact management features on the Teleco uCloud platform. Let's start by logging into the user portal at teleco.clearclouds.ca. Once we're in, we'll click over to the Contacts tab to see who we have in our address book. By default, every user in your system will show up here, so you can look up any coworker's extension. You might have some external contacts listed here as well, which will show as full public phone numbers instead of a 3 or 4-digit extension number. We can add any contact to our favorites list by clicking the star icon that appears when we hover over the contact. Favoriting a contact makes them easier to find, because when we click the filter menu at the top, one of the options is to show only our favorite contacts. We can also set the filter to show only our coworkers, which is anyone with a user extension in the phone system, or only shared contacts, which is external numbers that have been added to the directory. If we hover over this contact here, we can see that it's a shared contact. That means it was put in the portal by the administrator and everyone can see it on their address book. If we want to add our own contacts, it's as simple as clicking the Add Contact button at the top right. Fill in the details you want, press Save, and we've added the contact to our directory. Contacts we add this way will only show up in our user portal. No one else on the system will be able to see them. If we filter by My Contacts, we can see only the contacts that we've added. Adding contacts in the mobile app works exactly the same as on the web portal. Click the plus sign icon on the top right of the Contacts view to add a new contact. We also have the ability to import contacts from Microsoft Outlook or Apple Mail. Clicking the Import button lets us choose a saved contact file in Outlook, Google, or Apple format. Similarly, the Export button lets us save our contacts to a file that can be imported in an email client or other software. When we export, we can filter which contacts we want to be included in the export. In addition to just being a reference for us to look up extension numbers, this contacts list actually lets us see at a glance which of our coworkers are busy or are available to call. If a user has just a gray circle on their icon, that shows us they're offline, which means they're not currently logged in on a phone or the mobile app or the web portal. We can still call a user that's offline, we'll just get their voicemail. If a user has a green circle on their icon, that means they're available. They're logged in on at least one device and aren't currently on a call. If a user has a red circle on their icon, that shows that they're busy, meaning they're either currently on a call or they are in Do Not Disturb mode. We can initiate a call with any of our contacts right from this page. Hovering the mouse over their number shows that we can click to call. When we click, we get to choose what device we want to call them with. We can use the web phone on this portal, we can initiate the call on our desk phone or the mobile app, or we can even enter another phone number to call from. For example, if you choose the Enter a Phone Number option, type in your personal cell phone number and press Call, your cell phone will ring, and when you pick it up, it will be calling the contact you clicked on. As well as calling a user, we can also click the chat icon to send them an instant message. Any messages we send here will pop up on their web portal page if they're logged in.